Essentially, resin is the active component of cannabis. It is the essential oil of the plant, and we can think of it almost like a tree sap. That's a really good picture for the mind of resin. You know, the cannabis plant is secreting what we call trichomes, and these trichomes have a stem, like a stalk, and a head. So the head is really the cream of the crop. That is what we are trying to harvest. And ideally, our resin will be composed of those glandular heads only. If we get, say, powderized plant material, like actual green plant material, mixed up with our resin, it will be quite hard and not really soften to the touch of the human hand. But if that resin is primarily composed of those trichome heads, then when the warmth of the human body touches it, it will actually become quite soft and malleable. And that would be a pure grade resin. Essentially, resin is a term when applied to cannabis for the active ingredient that is in the trichome heads.